So guys, I'm back to running. I'm back to long distance running, and I am starting with a half marathon, which is 13.1 miles. I'll be doing the Houston Chevron Marathon, January the 15th, 2023. Many of you may not know this, but I'm a long distance runner. I've done several marathons, which is 26.2 miles. I think I've done like 11 or 12, and then I've done countless half marathons. But here's the thing, that was several years ago. For some reason, I stopped doing long distance running, and it has just not been going down well in my mind and in my body. So I decided to sign up for the half marathon and get back with training and road racing. So I will just document my thoughts, my wins, my challenges here on this channel. So if you would like to follow along and see what it takes to train for and then actually run a long distance race, then just follow the journey. I will drop a video every Friday just to share with you how the week went and the challenges that I faced, the wins, what I did, the runs, and so on and so forth.
I dare you to work on yourself for 6 months. I dare you to shut out the world. I dare you to shut out all the distractions. I dare you to give up everything that is keeping you from your dream.
Run number 1 of my half marathon training program, done and dusted. It was a 25 minutes easy run, and I did a pace of about 10 minutes 49 average, something like that. That means 1 mile averagely was done in 10 minutes and 49 seconds. That's awfully slow, but it is going to improve, I promise you. Today's run was not easy. Lacing up for the run was easy, but lacing up for the run, prepping was not easy. It took a little bit of getting over that voice in my head to lace up and show up. And that's what bosses do. They don't cancel. Go get your workout in. Woo-wee! Today's speed work is done and dusted. I'm super proud of myself. Your body will only do what the mind believes it can do. So you gotta believe that you can do this. The speed work is very important for long distance running because it helps you build fuel economy, which just means that it teaches your body how to perform on very little oxygen. So it is a workout that every runner needs to incorporate. We are outside. We are outside. First long run of the training season, but the long run is the shortest long run. So today I'm out for 35 minutes on my first long run. Catch you on the other side. Then somewhere down the road, we're going to add what is known as a tempo run. I will explain all of that. Before week 1, I only had to do 3 runs. The easy run, and then I did an interval run, and then I did a long run, and that was it. Run number 3, done and dusted. Today was a long run. Pace was slow, 11 minutes per mile, but it's now done. Week 1 of the training program is now in the books. Just 3 runs this week. The first run was an easy run, second run was an interval run, and then the third run, a long run. In addition to that, you need to be doing some strength work to balance, especially the muscles of the leg, because when you run, you're working your quads a lot. So you need to do strength work to work on the posterior chain, that is the back, from your core, your glutes, your hamstrings, your calves. You need to strengthen that so that there's balance to avoid injury. So I'm going to be doing some of that strength work to complement my running.
The difference between winning and losing, it all comes down to how bad you want it. If you want to win, your desire to win must be greater than your fear of losing. You can't be great if you kind of want it. If you want it, but not as much as you want to party. If you want it, but not as much as you want to chase girls or play video games. No, champions sacrifice. Champions do whatever it takes.
I have never heard of a great champion who kinda wanted to win. When champions want something, they go all in. There's no in between. Either you want it or you don't. So I'm asking you, do you want it? Do you want it bad?
Champions keep on training until they get better. Champions know that hard work pays off. Champions never give up because of failure or because of a mistake. People who give up when things get hard never succeed. In the sport and in life. People who give up never win.
And the one big thing that I used to do, which I stopped for some odd reason, is I used to do a lot of yoga for runners, and that helped me with injury prevention. This time, I'm just going to commit to do stretching like daily for 20 minutes every day. All right, guys, that's how week 1 of training went down. I'm very proud of myself for finishing, like completing all of my workouts for this week. So I just keep showing up, building up mileage, building up distance, and then just doing my best, you know. That's all that it requires.